Ladies and gents, my name is Sibusiso and I'm a proud member of Trading 7 Club. I would like to briefly explain about this new company and the amazing opportunity it presents to all of us. I will focus mainly on 4 points. Number 1, the benefits of joining now during pre-launch. Number 2, I will fully explain their powerful profit sharing program. Number 3, I will take you through the short and long-term potential earnings. And lastly, number 4, I will discuss all 9 income streams in their compensation plan. Let's get straight into it. What is Trading 7 Club? Well, Trading 7 Club is all about cryptos. Currently, their main product is an educational training about blockchain, cryptocurrencies, and trading, which has over 50 video lessons. This is just their first product, and other crypto-related products will come in the future. And guess what? As members, we get to benefit from all of them. So how can you benefit from their products? Well, you can benefit mainly in 2 ways. First, you will be able to use these products yourself. For an example, the educational training about cryptos is already available in their back office. And second, you will also be able to make money from their products. I will explain about this in detail so that you can clearly understand how it works. Okay guys, Trading 7 Club is on a pre-launch phase, a short 3-month pre-launch which started on the 24th of April and will last until the 24th of July this year. Only during this pre-launch period, members who join Trading 7 Club and purchase an educational package will be rewarded with Pioneer rights. Let me repeat again. This promotion will run only until July 24th. No more Pioneer rights will be given away with their packages after that date. Take note of this because that's what makes Trading 7 Club special and different to other online opportunities. Pioneer rights will be scarce, and that's what will make them extremely valuable. They want to support us, their early backers, their pioneers, and make us feel special. Not everyone will get Pioneer rights for free. People joining after the launch date and want to benefit from the profit sharing program will have to purchase them from other members. I hope that is clear. But don't get me wrong, Trading 7 Club will definitely continue being an attractive business for people joining after the launch. These members will have other benefits related to new products that the company will release. And they will also earn commissions from the compensation plan that I will explain in a moment. But they will not get free Pioneer rights because that's an exclusive benefit for their pioneers, people that supported them from the very first moment and decided to join during pre-launch. So how exactly will you benefit from these Pioneer rights? Basically, starting from August this year, Trading 7 Club will share 40% of its monthly profit with Pioneer right holders. Let me repeat this. This is important. In August this year, Trading 7 Club will start sharing 40% of the profit that they make each and every month. They will share that profit with members who have Pioneer rights. And they will keep doing it every single month for as long as the company is operating, which of course will be many, many years because they have a powerful, sustainable business model. There are other companies which share profit with their members, but the payouts proved to be a bit disappointing to members. And look, it's not because they are sharing a little amount. No, that's not the problem. The issue is that they have too many members to share profit with. And even if they share millions of dollars, the average payout still proves to be relatively small. This will work in a completely different way with Trading 7 Club. So what exactly makes Trading 7 Club special? As I explained before, ladies and gents, Pioneer Rights entitle you to benefit from the company's profit sharing program. And as such, the only members receiving Pioneer Rights will be those purchasing packages before the 24th of July this year. We do not know how many members Trading 7 Club will have by then, but let's say, just for an example, that they have 50,000 active members by the launch date. These members will be the ones receiving the first profit sharing in August this year. As Trading 7 Club grows, they may soon reach 500,000 members, 1 million members, or even more. Trust me, these numbers are achievable. Therefore, their monthly profit will increase a lot, but they will keep sharing 40% of their profit only with Pioneer Right holders, not with 1 million members, not with 500,000 members, but only with the original 50,000 members that joined during pre-launch. I hope you get it. I hope you can already see the big picture here and you can fully understand the potential mid-term and long-term earnings that you could get just by joining Trading 7 Club during their pre-launch. But just to clarify further, let's do a bit of numbers, let's do a bit of maths. This is just an example of how big your monthly payout could be as Trading 7 Club grows and thus its monthly profit increases. First, as you can see in the slide, that the total Pioneer Rights is 7 million. This is not a final number, as it will be related to the number of members joining Trading 7 Club during the pre-launch. The more members joining, the higher the total number of Pioneer Rights will be. 7 million is just an estimation used for educational purposes, so you can understand better how the profit sharing works. So let's do some maths now. For example, check the first row, and let's say that Trading 7 Club makes $500,000 profit in any given month. They will share 40% of that, which is $200,000. That amount will be divided equally among the total number of available Pioneer Rights. And for this example, we will use 7 million Pioneer Rights in total. This essentially means that for each Pioneer Right you hold, you will be rewarded with $0.029. If you have 30,000 Pioneer Rights, you would then get $870 payout that month. Not too bad, but also it's not a lot of money either. The potential and exciting part here comes when Trading 7 Club grows. I want you to pay attention now. When they reach 500,000 members, 1 million members, or even more than that, let's have a look at the last row in this image. Imagine that some months after the launch, Trading 7 Club has reached 1 million members, and they are making a profit of, say, $10 million per month. They will keep sharing 40% of that, which is $4 million. They will not share it with 1 million members, but only with Pioneer Right holders, only with the 50,000 members that joined during pre-launch. These members would be rewarded in this case with $0.571 for each Pioneer right they are holding, meaning that a member with 30,000 Pioneer rights can receive over $17,000 payout that month. Now we're talking. Before finishing this topic, I just want to clarify something here. I've been saying that the ones receiving monthly profit sharing will always be the members that joined Trading 7 Club during pre-launch, right? But that's not exactly how it works. The ones that will be rewarded are those holding their Pioneer rights. Yes, I also said that Pioneer rights will be given away only to members joining during pre-launch. But starting from September this year, you will be able to sell your Pioneer rights if you want to. Okay, you can sell to new members, or you can sell to old members who want to increase their Pioneer rights holdings in order to get a higher monthly payout. Of course, you will also have the option to buy more Pioneer rights if you want. This is not just empty words, ladies and gents. It's a promise, a solid promise that Trading 7 Club is making to all of us, their members. If for some reason they are not able to keep their promise, if they are not able to share the first payout in August, or if you can't sell your Pioneer rights in September, you can ask for a full refund of the money you paid to purchase any of their educational packages. No questions asked. So how can you accumulate more Pioneer rights during pre-launch? That's $1 million question. There are two main ways to do this. First, you can purchase an educational package. For example, beginner package price is only $30 and you will receive with it $30 worth of Pioneer rights when purchasing it. Okay? Intermediate package costs $90 and you will get $100 worth of Pioneer rights. Advanced package price is $210 and you get $250 worth of Pioneer rights. Then we have the premium packages where you can get even more Pioneer rights and unlock the matching bonus that is one of the most lucrative income streams, and I'll explain about it in a moment. As you can see, the higher the package, the more Pioneer rights you get. But not only that, the proportion of Pioneer rights you get per dollar you invest also increases. In beginner package, you get $1 worth of Pioneer rights per each dollar you are investing. But in the master package, you are getting around $1.6 worth of Pioneer rights per each dollar you invest. And this package is priced at $1,890, but you are getting $3,000 worth of Pioneer rights. The other way to accumulate more Pioneer rights during pre-launch is by inviting other people, ladies and gents, to join. You build a team. You will not only get Pioneer rights by doing this, but also direct commissions that are paid in Bitcoins. I will explain in a while. Just wanted to say that Trading 7 Club also runs special promotions once in a while, where you can accumulate even more Pioneer rights and also earn cash prizes. Currently, they are running a promotion that will last until August 20th called Leaders 90-Day Challenge, where you can earn a cash prize of up to $25,000 by building your team. Okay, ladies and gents, let's continue. Let's go to the compensation plan. There are 9 different ways to earn money in Trading 7 Club. I've already explained the first one, which is the payout you can get just by holding your pioneer rights. You don't have to invite a single person in order to benefit from this. I'll now explain about matrix commissions, which are 6 income streams in one. Then I will explain the matching bonus, and lastly, I will talk about renewals. So first, let's talk about matrix commissions. There are 6 matrices in Trading 7 Club, 1 per educational package, and each of them represents an income stream for you. If you start with the $30 package, the beginner package, you will make commissions only from one matrix, but your position will be reserved in all of the other matrices, waiting until you decide to upgrade to a higher package, which you can do whenever you want. Each time a new member is placed in your matrix, you will receive a commission, no matter if the new member was invited by you, invited by your uplines, or invited by someone who is already in your matrix. You will receive the commission in any case. Let's focus now on the blue column on the slide. It represents the commissions you can make in your beginner matrix. Trading 7 Club uses 5x7 matrices. This means that there can be a maximum of 5 members in your first level, 25 members in your second level, 125 in your third level, and so on. So you will be paid commissions up to 7 levels deep. I just want to clarify that having the first level limited to 5 members does not mean that you can only invite 5 members. You can invite as many as you want, but when your first matrix level is filled, the new members you invite will be placed in your second level. That's what we call spillover. So let's see an example. If you invite 1 member in your beginner matrix, you will receive a $5 commission. 50% of this amount will be paid in Bitcoin to your account balance, and you will be able to withdraw it immediately. And the other 50% will be paid in pioneer rights and will increase your long-term income potential coming from monthly profit sharing. Something important also that I want to comment on. Please do not feel scared because the matrix seems to be very big and it has thousands of members. No, do not panic. This matrix only represents your potential earnings. You are not necessarily required to fill up your matrix. You just need to understand that each time a new member is placed in your matrix, you will get a commission. And the more members that are in your matrix, the easier it will be, as some of them will also invite new members, making you to get even more commissions and making also your matrix to grow even faster. Let's focus now on the red column that represents the intermediate matrix. When you join Trading 7 Club, you can start in any package you decide, not necessarily in beginner package, or you can upgrade whenever you want, as I said before. Intermediate matrix works in a similar way to the beginner matrix. And the best part is that the members filling this matrix will be exactly the same members that you have in your beginner matrix. The only difference here is that the commissions you'll be paid in each level of your intermediate matrix are 2 times more what you were expecting in your beginner package. As you can see on the slide, you receive $5 for the members joining the first level in your beginner matrix, right? But you get $10 in your intermediate matrix. The same thing applies to all 6 matrices in Trading 7 Club. In each matrix, you will always earn 2 times what you were earning in the previous matrix. And the same members you have in your beginner matrix are the ones that will follow you into all the 6 matrices as they upgrade. As you can see, ladies and gents, working only one time, building your team just once, you will have up to 6 different income streams, 1 per matrix. So let's continue now with another income stream, which is matching bonus. This is a special bonus that is only available when you have a premium package, which are professional, expert, or master packages. If you have, for example, professional package, you will earn a 5% matching bonus each time that someone you personally referred receives a matrix commission. There is no limit to the number of members that you can personally invite, meaning that you can get 5% matching bonus for all the payouts they receive. Okay? That it could be tens of people or hundreds of people, as many as you can personally invite. If you have expert package, apart from the 5% bonus from your direct referrals, you will also earn 3% matching bonus from your second level referrals. And lastly, if you have master package, you will also earn 2% matching bonus from your third level referrals. 2% may not seem like a lot, but you have to understand that you can be receiving this 2% from each payment received by thousands of people. It actually works out to be a lot of money. So just to clarify, the matching bonus is not deducted from the commission that your referrals get. This is a separate bonus that Trading 7 Club pays. Lastly, I will explain about the 9th income stream, renewals. This is one of the most innovative parts in our platform, and it will help you to multiply your earnings with the same team you already have. And the best part is that you don't have to put any new money out of your pocket. Let me repeat, there is no money that you have to spend from your pocket again. Trading 7 Club works in a way that you will only be allowed to renew your packages when you have earned enough money to pay the renewal fee and also to keep some decent earnings. Let me clarify that renewals are not mandatory. They are not compulsory. If you don't want to renew your packages, it's okay. You will keep earning from the other 8 income streams. You just won't earn commissions from the renewals that are made in your team. However, the way renewals work, if the system is letting you renew any of your packages, it's because you already did the hardest part, which was building your team and start filling your matrix. The founders take great pride in this income stream and how it works. If you decide to renew your packages, rest assured, you will make more money than what you spend. On top of this, if you renew your packages during pre-launch, you will also receive more pioneer rights, increasing even more your potential earnings from profit sharing. Before finishing, I want to share a new bonus they have recently announced. It's called Fast Start Bonus, and it encourages new members to start promoting the business as soon as they join Trading 7 Club and receive cash prizes if they are able to invite 5 new members during their first 10 days at Trading 7 Club. If you qualify for the bonus, the higher the packages that the 5 members you invited purchase, the higher the bonus you will receive. If, for example, you are able to invite 5 members who purchase master packages during your first 10 days in the business, you will get a cash bonus of $2,000. That's all I wanted to share with you, ladies and gents. Thank you so much for attending the presentation. I hope you now have a better idea of how Trading 7 Club works and your potential earnings by joining now during pre-launch. If you are not yet a member, please get in touch with the person who invited you to see this presentation so that he or she can assist you with the next steps. Keep well. Thank you.